we're a multi-generational family. We've got quite a bit of energy need, and we need to try to regulate the costs. And the X factor is what the utility will charge. So with that unknown and being able to remove that unknown from the equation and being able to reduce our costs, not have to worry about a hurricane, not have to worry about charging the cars at a certain time. And then all this for less than what our electric bill costs. It sold us both. I think we were reticent for the longest time until the electric bill started to really grow.
To me, it's the comfort of knowing if I'm going to lose power. Right, we had our power loss last year for, 5 days? That's difficult. Eric certainly did lots of research and, on the companies and what would work best for our situation. I don't know much about this stuff to begin with, so he was able to really kind of lay it out very obvious, and it was kind of a no-brainer as soon as he laid it out.
I ended up filling out one of those solar marketing things by mistake, and I got 1 billion quotes, but essentially I spoke to 5 people. 2 said no. One of them said if CKR was recommended, use them.
All his questions, they were able to answer quickly, and that's important.
From beginning to end, I got very lucky. CKR Solar put so much work into our home, and then when the inspector just came, I had the inspector complimenting CKR Solar's work over and over. You did this right. This is really good. Yeah, it was really
Great.
I think that CKR takes true ownership of the project, and they are doing it from a perspective of genuine interest and enthusiasm rather than cookie cutter installation of solar panels.